witches? It's Ravina here, and today I have 2 packages! Ah! I'm filming this. Let's see, what day is it? I'm filming this Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday. Cora, you need to back off, please, baby. But yeah, I'm filming this Tuesday. So I'm excited that both of these are here finally. I've been waiting forever for these. And yes, it says Fanjoy. And you'll see whose it is in a minute. Cora, everybody say hi to my youngest, Cora.
Hey.
Say hi, Cora.
Hi, Cora.
Say hi, Ella.
Hi.
Alright, watch out, you guys. So I'm going to... No, leave it alone, please. I'm going to grab my trusty knife. Cora, you need to move, baby. And we're going to start with this one first. I know what both of these are.
Mommy, Dad, hi, Cora.
You can say hi in a second, alright?
Hi, Cora.
I hope I do not cut these. Now, I'm probably not gonna wear these just yet unless I get cold because I know they're both sweatshirts. But because I ordered them, baby. Here's the first one. This is the first one that I'm super excited for, but also very sad for. Because, yes, Cora, back up.
What?
Yes, it is the, so, I got, it's sad, but exciting at the same time, too. Supernatural, 15 year, thanks for the memories. Let me turn this around, show you. Alright, so, it's not gonna, my camera's not gonna let me turn it around so you guys can see. But there's this, it says the 15
Mommy, I'm watching around.
years of Supernatural, 15 seasons. And then you've got Jensen's signature. You've got Jared's signature. And you have Misha's. And it says, thank you for the memories. And you guys, I'm super excited for this one. I'm only on season 13, but that's just because I've been watching it on Netflix. So, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing this if it gets too chilly. And then this next one, I'm excited for it as well. Because my husband bought it for me. So it's addressed to him, but I know it's mine because it says exactly what it is on the front. So let's, that didn't work. Let's open her up.
Mommy,
And yes, I am definitely a big fan of Supernatural. So I'm very upset that they're stopping after 15 years, but that's okay. We all knew it was going to happen at some point. And this one is one of the YouTubers that I watch. I was finally able to get some of their merch. It is Colby Brock's Now or Never Shattered hoodie. And I am super excited about this. As soon as my husband gets home, I will definitely be trying these on for you. So, yeah. That was the little unboxing. And I should be getting 2 more packages from Wish at some point this week, hopefully.
Mommy,
It says I should get them by the 15th.
night-night.
Okay, go night-night, baby.
No, I'm going to you.
Okay. But so
I'm my papa.
those are the 2 sweatshirts and hoodies that I got. So as soon as my husband gets home, I will definitely put them on for you guys to see.
Goodbye.
And I'll see you later. Here's the Supernatural one. There's the front. Okay. There's the back. See the 3 signatures. All the pictures throughout the seasons. Pause it so I can switch to the other one. And this is the Colby Brock Now or Never Shattered. It's like, oh my god, it's like super soft. I'm loving this. But yeah, so those are my 2 sweatshirts that I got. I don't think there's anything on the back of this one.
No.
Okay. But yeah, so those are the 2 hoodies I got. And be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, and remember, love's the most powerful magic of all. Bye guys!